My process of making artwork, it's very dialogic. I talk to lots of people and I learn about what's important to them, and I try to imagine, how to extend that conversation into a place which is contemporary. The overall theme of the exhibition, mine, here at Petzel Gallery, is a journey tracking extraction. From data extraction to mineral extraction, and then through to crypto extraction process. One of the emphases in my sculptural practice is to show that while there's exchange between different areas of value, that none of this is in fact virtual. All of it is very actual and real, be that online or offline. I'm interested in the activity of businesses, and I have been in my work for a long time, because I think they are interesting barometers of culture itself. One of the dynamics I'm always interested in is the people that own the technology and the businesses and the people who work for them. I took something that Amazon.com patented for a delivery drone that would replace a worker. Then I made a sculpture out of a drawing. I put an augmented reality layer on top of that, which was from another company that the show's engaged with, which is one of the biggest mining companies on the planet, Rio Tinto. And it's an animation of a spinning globe, which is only rocks, as if the Earth is like one giant mineable mine. As a part of this exhibition, and as a part of some of the sculptures even in this exhibition, there's a little board game unit that I made. It's an adaptation of the game mechanics from quite a famous board game from Australia called Squatter. In Extractor, the game, you collect data, you put it on your cloud, and every time you pass go, you get a certain amount of monetizable outcome from how much data you own. It reflects some of the types of stops on the way that you might face as a person building a data business. There's a lot of cardboard and paper in this show. There's collages made from patents using a paper 3D printer. There's also giant machines made in cardboard, which are also point-of-sale display units for the board games. There's a fragility to that which sort of has a contrast with maybe the object that it's representing. It's sort of trying to take some of the heaviness and permanence implied by some of the heavy materials it depicts, and kind of subvert that and bring that into this kind of speculative space where everything feels constructed and everything feels kind of light. I have been using this relatively recent crypto format of selling and showing, I guess, a provenance of artworks, digital artworks called NFTs, to power these marketplaces. It takes a great deal of power. The NFTs that I launched reflect some of that process. I bought a mining computer off one marketplace, eBay, and I put it into a completely different marketplace, instead one that is contributing to a climate modeling project. The theme of mining continues to be more and more, I think, relevant to think about and talk about, and I guess processes of extraction are only getting more visible and important.